So here we have the ingredients required for our mirchi ka salan. First of all, the mirchi, which is known as Hungarian wax. I'm using the Hungarian wax quality. You may use any chili that you want to. Other ingredients for the salan are peanuts. So this is known as falli here in Hyderabad. That's why it is known as chili falli ki gravy. Onion. Here I am having about 1 onion grated. Sesame seeds, coriander seeds, dried red chilies, jaggery, cumin seeds, salt, curry leaves, mustard seeds, turmeric, ginger garlic paste. You may check out my recipe for it if you want to. And our Kashmiri red chili powder. You may use any red chili powder that you want to. If not, you may also use normal red chili. We are going to slit the chilies at the first so that they does not burst in the oil. So slit them and cut them into half. That will do is it will be easier to cut, easier to cook as well as easier to eat. As these are very long, you may use Bhavnagari mirch if you want to. Here this was available for me, so I use this. So in a very slow flame we are going to fry these until they are cooked. So here I have some oil which is heating up in low heat. So we are going to add the chilies to it. So these chilies will float like this only for about 20 to 25 seconds. After that they'll start bubbling a little bit. So add all the chilies, then we are going to wait until they are cooked. So while the time they are cooking, let's prepare our roasted masala so that we do not waste our time. So let's prepare our roasted masala. First of all, the raw peanuts. You may also use cooked peanuts, roasted peanuts if you want to, also known as groundnuts or falli. We are going to roast this in low heat for about 2 to 3 minutes or until they get a little bit color. So you may also roast in medium flame, but roasting in low flame will get the best result. They'll get cooked very nicely. So they have got a little bit color. Now we are going to add other ingredients to it without any further delay. We don't want any good color in it, I mean too much color in it. So sesame seeds, which is known as chili, coriander seeds. For detailed recipe you can check out my blog cookanshop.blogspot.com. So cumin seeds, and we're going to roast this for about a minute or so in low flame itself, so that the sesame seeds also start spluttering, and the red chilies also. So this will take about a minute or so because the pan is also very hot right now. Now after about a minute or so, we are going to transfer it to a plate and then let it cool down. Then we are going to prepare a paste out of it. So this will be our main thing for our gravy, not the onions. So spread it out and wait until they are cooked. Make a puree out of it then. So let's check out chilies. Now they looks like they have cooked and they have got a good color also. So just transfer them into a tissue paper so that the excessive oil gets soaked. Our mirchi ka salan. Here I have a pot in which I am going to add about 2 tablespoons of oil, and we are going to wait until it gets hot. So now the oil is getting hot a little bit. I am going to add the mustard seeds to it. If you want to use cumin seeds, you may use cumin seeds, but we have already used the cumin seeds in roasted masala, so no need of using it. So while the time it splutters, I am going to add the curry leaves. Here I am using dried curry leaves. You may use fresh or any curry leaves that you have right now. So now we are going to add the ginger garlic paste to it, about 1.5 to 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, and we are going to roast this for about 30 to 40 seconds until the rawness is gone. So after that we are going to add the onions into it, and we are going to mix this onions and cook this until this is brown. So which will take around 4 to 5 minutes, and just mix it up, it will automatically get brown. So to fasten up the process, I am going to add some salt to it and wait until it gets brown. So now the onion looks like they are brown, and they won't get any more brown than this rather than sticking to the bottom. So just add the puree that we prepared with the roasted masala. Don't add too much of water to the puree, as we are going to add loads of water here while preparing it. Roast for about 2 minutes until this masala also get cooked nicely in oil. So after about 2 minutes we are going to add the spices to it. Some turmeric here, optional to add turmeric. Now the red chili, you may use any red chili that you want to. Here I am having Kashmiri red chili powder, so lot of Kashmiri red chili powder. You may also use food colors and less amount of chili if you want to, totally optional. So just mix it up and cook it for about 3 to 4 minutes so that the spices also get roasted and cooked very nicely. So now it looks like it is cooked very nicely, and now we are going to add some water to it. So measuring does not matter here. I'm going to add about a cup of water to it, and we are going to wait until it bubbles up and boils vigorously. So after it boils, we are going to proceed with the procedure. So the spices and the recipe is pretty easy to prepare, yet the taste is just wonderful. So now we are going to add the chilies to it and cover it up. Before the chilies, let's add the jaggery seeds, and the jaggery and the what is it, tamarind pulp to it. So I forgot to mention the tamarind pulp with the ingredient, sorry for that. So a little bit of jaggery and a little bit of tamarind right now. You may use more if you want to in a later stage. So let's add the chilies now. Make sure the chilies are cooked very nicely in the oil. So we are going to mix these chilies and the jaggery tamarind once, and then cover it up and cook for about 15 minutes. 15 minutes, it looks very long, but check it vigorously. Check it occasionally about in every about 2 to 3 minutes. This is after about 5 minutes. You can see it has been a little bit thick, so I am going to add some more water to it, about half a cup of water to it. So this has to be thin, and otherwise if it's thick it will not go well with biryani. So it looks like it is cooking for about 15 to 20 minutes, and it looks very delicious right now. So before serving, let's taste it up for the salt, spice and sweetness, sourness, all four of them. So after tasting it, I think that the salt is not good enough for this, even the jaggery and tamarind. I'm going to adjust it. So some more of jaggery, some more of our tamarind. So some people like it spicy, some people like it sour, some people like it sweet. So you will have to prepare and adjust as per your taste, and you may add according to your taste. I will not recommend you to add this much amount of jaggery or this much amount of salt or even tamarind pulp. You may add according to your taste, adjust it later on. So you can serve it with any type of rice, any type of biryani, or even any type of chapati. I have tried with all of them. So serve hot. Let's serve it. I have garnished it with some raw green chilies and coriander leaves. You may garnish it with anything that you want to. Usually garnished it with some oil. Some people add oil, but I want to keep it a little bit healthy, so green chilies and coriander here. Here I have some easy veg biryani. No, this is not the one that we prepared that day. This I have prepared today, the same recipe. So here I have mirchi ka salan and easy veg biryani. Do try and let me know how it turned out to be. Thank you for watching.